If you're a student and your teacher is using Flipgrid in your class, there's a couple of different ways to access your teacher's grid. The teacher may have given you something called a flip code, and when you're on the flipgrid.com website, you will see an area that says enter a flip code. If the teacher has given you a code, you will enter that information here and then click the arrow key. The other way your teacher might have given you information about accessing Flipgrid is through a website address. And usually the website address is flipgrid.com/ and then either some letters and numbers after it or a specific name. So in this instance, a teacher has shared an entire grid URL or website address with me, which I'm going to put in here. And you can see it's flipgrid.com/ and then whatever the name of this grid is. So when I click on that, it brings me to this page. So if you are in elementary school, chances are your teacher has given you an ID to type in order to access the grid. And that's what you're going to type in here. Type in your ID very carefully, making sure if there is something that's capitalized that it gets capitalized. And then click Let's Go. If you're on your home computer and you would like your username and your ID to be remembered, you can click Remember Me. So once we click Let's Go, we are now in our teacher's grid. So when we scroll down, we will see any topics that our teacher has made available for us to respond to. So right now there is one topic for us to respond to. In order to respond to our grid, we need to click on this plus sign. Now, Flipgrid prefers to use the Google Chrome browser. You must be working on a computer that has a webcam built into it as well as a microphone. If not, you might need to use another device to complete your Flipgrid. So when we scroll down, in order to respond to this topic, we're going to click on the plus sign. If you are using Google Chrome or some other browser, you very often will get an option pop up over here that is asking if Flipgrid can use your camera and your microphone, which you do want to click Allow. Once you've clicked Allow, your picture should show up right in the recording box, as you can see here, and you can adjust this any way you need to. In order to start recording, you're just going to click on this little record button, and it will automatically do a countdown, and then you can start your recording. Once you're done, you're going to click the pause button, and then you can click next to preview. So you can start your recording. So your preview will be played, and if you're happy with it, you can then click on next. If not, you can click the X button and redo it. So once you click next, it's going to ask you to take a screenshot of yourself, and then you are going to click next, and you can put in any information about your topic here. Your name should automatically show up. You can put a title as to what your response is about, and then you're going to click Submit Video, and your video will be submitted and added to your teacher's grid. And that's it.